All right, that was Moves Like Jagger featuring the Dancing Baby. I just wanted to give y'all some form of entertainment. I will not be here tomorrow. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but I'm going to try to keep it under 10 minutes. All right, I do have a technical confession. My slate is dead. So I'll be using the mouse and it will not be cute, but I'll try my best. Moving right on along. Oh, wrong. All right, on number 1, this is some area where I need you to read. And I need you to use what you have learned. Don't just glance at this thing and say, oh, it got smaller. Oh, it got bigger. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, you do. Because it has those little, it's prime. There's something, the little apostrophes. Y'all think it's a 1 for some odd reason, but it's like an apostrophe. Think about if it got bigger. And remember that thing I told y'all about, similar, congruent angles, proportional sides. Congruent angles and proportional sides. See, I can't draw. I can't write that good. Oop. All right. Just remember, congruent angles. Congruent means the same. If this is 30 degrees, then this is 30 degrees. It's not congruent. Same. Proportional sides. If this is 2, this ain't 2. Maybe 4, but not 2. All right. Anyways, moving along. Go through the answer choices. Make sure you make a wise decision. Here we go. Your favorite again. Without replacement. I ain't gonna tell y'all want over total anymore. You should know that by now. But I will tell you something. Red, there's 6 red marbles, right? Red, 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 and red. Yes, there are. All right, and think about the first time when you reach in there, you'll be reaching for 6 out of blank. You're going to take that one away, and then you reach back in there, how many red are left? So when y'all are multiplying that second probability, think about what happened with the red marbles. That's all I can say. I will give you something on here. You must read, but don't get, just because it says 20 doesn't mean anything. It's just asking about each label. You might want to round this. Actually, you do want to round it. For the simple fact that it says closest. If you had 1/16 of something, what would you round 3 and 1/16 to? I'm not going to tell you. If you had 6 and 5/8, what would you want to round to? Remember, 5 and up, round up. 4 and down, round down to the ground. Anyways, and this is over half, so just keep that in mind. What would that round to? These squiggly lines are like about or almost equal to. And then you just plug it in the formula. Guess what? If you don't know the formula, you should. There it goes. It just magically appeared, the formula. It says lateral. Don't let your eyes skim over that because they're going to have the total surface area answer there. Lateral. Find your radius, your height. You can use 3 or 3.14, whatever floats your boat. Plug it in and multiply. Plug it in and multiply. Next. Oh, your favorite again. Similar. We do a lot. Y'all shouldn't even miss these problems anymore. Similar. Caps. Proportion. Set it up. Look at it. Multiplicative. Or no multiplicative. Whatever. Cross, multiply, divide. Y'all don't need my help. Ooh. This is special. All right, I'm back. I have an emergency. But, I'm going to let it wait for like 10 minutes and try to get through the video. Anywho, be very careful here. It's saying that the value of x, you have to describe this relationship, x and y, your favorite 2 letters of the alphabet. Actually, they will be next year. But anyways, the value of x is 5 more. What does more mean? It's an operation word and it means plus. Some of y'all, no, but my 3rd grade teacher told me that more means multiplication. Right now, your 8th grade teacher tell you it means addition. So add. All right, so it says the value of x is 5 more than twice. Twice is times 2. So the value of x is 5 more than twice the value of y. So what you have to do first, what does PEMDAS tell you to do first? Multiply. So you take y, you multiply it by 2, then you add the 5 and see if it comes out to 0. That would have been a cool song if everything rhymed, but it didn't. Anyways, so you'll see that if it's true, great. Check the other 3 of them. What I tell you, these people trying to get you, and some of y'all are going to get got. I'm trying to warn you, y'all got 11 days. All right, so do the same here. More. 2 times 2. Ooh, less. 2 times. Ooh, oh, this is fraction. I can't do it. Well, guess what? If all 3 of these are wrong, then the answer is D. Okay? Use some process elimination. Use it. Don't lose it. Guess what this is? Your favorite Pythagorean theorem. All right, so A, B, C. Need I say more? There's not a 4th grade answer in here. I'm very surprised. This is a step up for them. Anyways, moving along. You already know. Squared. Squared. Added. Square rooted. Ooh-wee. This ain't even that bad. You need to set up the equation correctly. Make sure the variables are right. The variables are the letters that represent some number that you're not aware of at this moment. And then you plug it in. Here, they're just asking you about the 15 players. So it's $10 for every person to ride the bus. So you can make your 10 represent those bus riders. The company also charges 12 cents per mile. Which equation can be used to find C, the cost for the group of 15 players to travel in miles? Well, we don't know M, but we know, oops, this probably should have been a P for player. All right, plug it in, figure it out. You're smart. Ooh, this is like triple step or something like that. One of these might either be double, triple, or quadruple. I'm not sure. But this is involved. This is an involved question. The price for a haircut at the barbershop is $15, tax included. If Bruce tipped the barber 15% of the cost of the haircut and the tax, how much change in dollars and cents should he receive if he paid $20? Well, do y'all remember when y'all leave a tip, it's a percent. It's just like commission. All right, so here's tip. TIP. I should probably play one of his songs right now. Please hold. That was Big Things Popping by T.I. Anyways, getting back to math. So you figure out the tax based on a $15 haircut, which some of y'all are used to. Figure out the tax. Guess what you're going to do? Add it to the haircut and then subtract it from 20. Get your change. Very, very easy.